Hi, I'm Atif Hanif, Infrastructure Solution Architect at Melillo Consulting. Welcome to the Melillo Partner Minute, where you get the latest news and expertise around today's top technology solutions. The global hyper-converged infrastructure market is expected to grow from $7.8 billion in 2020 to $27.1 billion by 2025. Major growth drivers for HCI include reduced capital and operational expenditure and disaster recovery capabilities. Here at Melillo, when we analyze our customers' current environments, we plan an infrastructure that is right-sized for the future. That means factoring in things like workload migrations, performance and scalability requirements, and cloud presence. As an HPE Platinum partner, we offer the Simplivity hyper-converged solution because it reduces the traditional stack of compute, SAN, and shared storage, offers a simple server form factor with Proliant Servers that support high-performance networking and SSD storage, and it also provides native backup technology which can restore large terabyte VMs within minutes. Simplivity works with HPE Store Once data deduplication appliances, supporting data encryption, cloud backups, and immutability to protect against cryptolocker viruses and ransomware attacks. Customers look to Melillo to refresh their infrastructure with HPE because it leads the industry with best-in-class servers, storage, networking, and data protection. Simplivity is an intelligent, efficient HCI solution that's optimized for your edge, VDI, and general virtualization workloads. Contact me today to learn how you can deploy an industry-leading hyper-converged solution with HPE Simplivity.